good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Ginoong Pilipinas is more than just a pageant. It is a celebration of Filipino culture, heritage, and values. The competition highlights not only the physical attributes of the candidates, but also their intelligence, talents, and commitment to community service. The event brings together young men from various regions of the Philippines, and each embodying the unique characteristics and traditions of their hometowns. The winner of Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 will have the honor of representing the Philippines in the Mr. Universe Tourism Pageant, showcasing the country's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty on an international stage. And this opportunity will allow the winner to promote the Philippines as a premier tourist destination, emphasizing its scenic landscape, vibrant festival, and warm hospitality. As the candidates prepare for the coronation night, they undergo rigorous training and participate in various pre-pageant activities, including talent showcases, cultural presentation, and community outreach program. And these activities help shape well-rounded individuals who can serve as ambassadors of goodwill for the Philippines. The swimwear segment of Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 is a dynamic showcase of fitness, confidence, and charisma. Contestants take the stage in stylish swimwear, highlighting their well-toned physique and dedication to a healthy lifestyle. This segment is more than just a display of physical beauty. It is a testament to the hard work and discipline each participant has put into their fitness journey. The swimwear round allows the contestant to exude confidence and poise, demonstrating their readiness to represent the modern Filipino man. It sets a vibrant tone for the competition, emphasizing the contestants' appeal and stage presence while celebrating their commitment to overall well-being. First on the list is Parañaque City, Mark Joseph Cruz. Pampanga, Kenneth Clark de la Cruz. Oriental Mindoro, Noel de los Santos Jr. Nueva Vizcaya, J.R. Patajo. Misamis Oriental, Cedric Querol. Malaybalay City, Jenard Rodrigo. Las Piñas City, Joman Jovero. Lanao del Norte, Paul Anthony Tiero. Laguna, Astin Martin Ladanga. Himamaylan City, Nilo Niño Galaraga. Davao Region, Norman Aquino Coronel Jr. Cebu, Keith Clifford Roble. Catanduanes, Ron Aldrin Madrigal. Cagayan Province, John Dave Hakias. Bukidnon, Carl Japet Sawayan. Bohol, Carl Michael Martinez. Baguio, Ryan James Valdez. The Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 Coronation Night promises to be an unforgettable evening, celebrating the best of Filipino manhood and paving the way for the winner to shine on the global stage. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!